Okay, let's do this homework, and we're doing some subtraction, but some new methods, so at least for some of you, new methods. And we're going to start by doing the counting up method. So let's look at this one here. First of all, we always make an estimate, and you can do a quick or slow estimate. I'll do a slow one. I'm going to do 60 minus 40 equals 20. And then we're going to count our way up. So I'm going to start with 39. And I'm going to add my way up to 58. So I'm going to go plus 1 gives me 40. If you can go straight there, that's fine, but I'll go bit by bit, plus 10, and then to get to 58, 8 more, there it is. Which numbers did I add? I added 1, 10, and 8. 1 plus 10 plus 8 is 19, so the answer is 19. Here, I'll do this one a little bit faster. I'm starting at 379. Oh, hold on, I'm going to do a quick estimate this time. 600 minus 400 is 200. And can you go to the next 100? Can you go that far? If you can do that's a little bit quicker. And I know that would be 21. And then simply I can go to 600 easily then. So I only have two numbers this time, 21 and 200. So the answer is 221. So you can see how quickly you can go through this method if you can go straight to the next 100. So if you can't, go to 470 next, but if you can go to straight to 500, and then you'll be able to subtract these really quickly. Next method is expanded column. So hold on. We'll have a look at just a couple of these, but this is a little bit slower, but we're really showing our thinking and our understanding of subtraction. So this is going to be close to 30, the answer. But now I need to do expanded column. So 73 is 70 and 3. 37 would give me 30 and 7. And now I'm subtracting here. But 3 minus 7 is a problem for me. So I'm going to take 10 of these. And those 10 come over here to make 13. And now I'm good. 6, 30, the answer is 36. If I have 3 digits, then you do 3 columns. So 411 would be 410 and 1. Then we have 240 and 4. And now I'm going to do all of my trading first. So I need this 10 over here. That becomes 11. And then I need to take 100 from here. So that 100 is now over there. And now I'm set. 11 minus 4 is 7. 60, 100. And then you add those together for your answer. I think you can do these others on your own. Just a quick note here. If you've got a 0 in the tens place, for example, that just is 0. So you have 509 is 500, 0 in the tens place, and 9. Then we have 300, 10, and 2. So I'd have 7 here. Then I need to take 100 from there. That 100 comes over here. And you just keep going. Right, that's it. I think the others you can do on your own. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.